I'm going to take a closer look at the query loop, which is the technological name or term for sharing posts in a page, for instance, a post preview. So it is a term that is kind of hard to understand what it actually is. So I'll just click here and look at the blocks. It is probably I don't know, is a design, widget, theme. So query loop, as it says, it displays the posts. The query loop name itself is kind of hard to understand what it is. So it like a post preview or something like that would probably be easier to understand. Okay, so we'll just add that in here. So we have then this default selected carousel view, and here's a grid view. So looking at this, it looks like this is kind of like a side by side. Here it would actually be nice with select this layout or select button, either above here of the various designs or below it. So because here I see this says standard image at left. It's kind of like I have to scroll through. I don't know what happened with the left to right arrows here, because right now I'm just scrolling through instead various options, and it's kind of hard to know when you just kind of see this like that. It looks like we just have two options, because here, okay, we have a scroll bar, but that's kind of easy to overlook. So let's kind of look through. I see there's kind of like here is one design for three column layout in a sense. So so let's see the difference, because here instead of the left right arrow we are having, here's large title offset. What if I just do one of, for instance, this one? So then I just see the one, if I wanted to have two next to each other. How about wide view? This is just wide view here. Having some kind of column on the right here would be helpful. Because suddenly we have a grid of 3. What if I just wanted a grid of 2? Okay, so we can change that to 2 then. Grid of 2. Okay, so but it changed the layout from what I have here. I have one specific layout, did not look like this, so this kind of just changed it to something else. So now I really just want to start over with the query loop. So we'll just go like this, right, query loop. I will just choose the one I see right here. Start blank, choose. I'll just choose this one then. So I'll do this again. We see 3 in a row. What if I just wanted 2 columns? Change this to 2, and then I will change to wide width, and now we can see it like this. So why it's not filling out the whole space, I don't know. So we can choose different post types. I have some other post types here, like news, ecological society, and a newsletter. So we'll just do a post here. And then here we can start kind of moving things around, up and down. Actually, it did not. It moved all of the text. So some of this is kind of confusing why it's not filling out this whole area here. Sticky posts, filters, categories. Okay, categories, tags, because categories we don't. You have to remember there's no multi-select yet. Same with authors. All these should be multi-select. Keyword, I'm not really sure what that actually does. So, okay, let's just move some of these elements around then. We can move this below the image. So we have a lot of text in here. What if I want to change this to excerpt. I want to change this to less. Oh, so I can actually have text color here. Okay, yep, changing the text color. And background. Oh, that's interesting. What if I just want to blank it out? Okay, clear and clear. Okay, so this is real nice. So what if I wanted to have an excerpt with 30 words or characters? Doesn't look like that's possible right now. So let's go move to the next one, and I'll go to date. I'll put that right under the image. I can choose from various kinds of date. Time, I see that, February 4th. It should not be like this. It should actually be 4th of February. Because we have this, then here we have the day and the month, and it should reflect that here as well. Here I can see I can change the text color as same as the other elements. So what if I want to just move this to the top? We're moving that to the top. Default size. Can I just unclick it? I just want to unclick it. I don't know what the default size is. Can I just remove the default size? Custom size. Oh, so this is custom. Okay, so we have, let's see, the title. Make title link, open a new tab. Oh, interesting. What if I go like this? So what if I just want to remove, take it back to default? What is the default? Can I take this back to default? No, it doesn't look like it. So we have then placeholder for this one post that does not have a featured image. It does not have actually an image at all. I would like then to post or excerpt. Can I actually do some of this bold, for instance, or change the lines, line break, add read more link. Okay, read more. So I see that still the excerpt is, so this is part of the excerpt. Okay, I'm going to stop here. I'm sorry if it's somewhat confusing, but it's just going to give some of the experience I have with this at the moment.